So here I am. It's very quiet. Maybe not as quiet as I thought when I first arrived, but still. Oh, yes. Doing quite well.
The degradation and the gravity I have witnessed, you may not be aware, but there are those for whom stealth itself has become, has become a thing of torment. Oh yeah.
Many people think I'm stealth and not like it.
Oh my poor deluded, slim but well-rounded young lamb. How many people have discovered stealth and liked it too much?
It's a rainy Thursday afternoon. My kids are at school. My wife wanted me out the house when she's off work. I Thorpe Park asked who wanted to ride them. Pretty fast coasters. I thought, why not? Get me out of here. So here I go. Oh, it really is raining though. They've just announced actually that it might be uncomfortable because of the rain, but
if you've got a spot of
yeah,
Go-Grow
never mind.
on top, you need Go-Grow on
That's
top.
fun.
The new Go-Grow hair tonic is specially formulated for men. It's based on the new hair growth principle, conditioning your hair and scalp while
Here we go.
love the healthy sheet it gives. Go-Grow for men comes in
Always enjoy stealth. One of my favourite rides. Wish it lasted longer, but that is the way of it. But it's always worth it. But the queue is absolutely non-existent. I'm still going to walk it though. Suppose while I'm here I'll probably go on something else after this. My period is currently closed for maintenance. But there's always sore.
Glasses. Anything that can come loose.
And here we go. I might even go front row.
The speed of stealth, it may be uncomfortable to ride at this time. If you wish to wait for the weather conditions to improve, please stand to one side and allow other guests through. Once again, it may be uncomfortable to ride stealth in the rain. If you wish to wait, please stand to one side and allow other guests through. Thank you.
It's called to run. It should be able to place themselves if they run for you. And don't forget, shirts and shoes must be worn at all times. Please follow the instructions for this one. Sit down and come up. Prepare for a race like you're not
Pretty sure I just saw lightning. I think that was lightning I saw a second ago, so I'm waiting for the thunder. Everyone's having a wonderful time.
So the people in the training bars will be released. It's just assisted guests to be reloaded to recheck shortly.
This jumper, I think it's like great. Oh my gosh. Du weißt erst, wenn du so ganz bewusst und auf der Welt
I can't wait.
Then I have your attention.
My
Please
turn
be
now.
aware that due to the rain and the speed of stealth, it may be uncomfortable to ride at this time. If you wish to wait for the weather conditions to improve, please stand to one side and allow other guests through.
Well, that was absolutely delightful. Not quite what it usually is. Not sure if uncomfortable is the word to describe it. More, your knees, your lap will get wet when you sit down. And if it starts pouring extra like it did as soon as I sat down, then you will get even wetter and you will come off with wet thighs. But, oh well. So, let's have a look at the app and see what else is going on.
And now your friends are laughing at you. You can say, maybe you just need someone to